Hi guys, it's Machaela. It's that time of the year again. We are entering the holiday season. For me, you cannot skip Thanksgiving. Holidays start after Thanksgiving, but I did go ahead and achieve this look that you could wear for Thanksgiving or even going into the holiday season. When I do think of Thanksgiving, I do very much enjoy a nice berry toned look, or even the Christmas season. But I went in with this Marc Jacobs Cherrific eyeshadow palette, and I used my NYX pink base. But if you stay tuned till the end, and if you do not have this palette, I will show you an alternative. And with that, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload videos. I focus on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and motherhood, and just if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start with the shade Juicy and place that in my crease. After that, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade, this is Extra, and I'm going to go ahead and place that in the outer V and placing that on the inner corner and just kind of on the lid, and then I'm going to buff that into the crease. And then I want to deepen it up just a little bit more. I'm going to take the shade on top right here. I'm just going to go ahead and place that kind of in the very outer V right here, just kind of in the inner corner, and then just buffing whatever's left over into the crease, just kind of trying to keep the hand nice and light. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Strawberry Milk, and that is going to go all over the lid. I'm going to use that as my pink base. I've got a mirror right here that I'm trying to see. It's raining today, so the lighting is not the greatest, but I'm kind of going to mimic a cut crease here. Just bring that all the way over. Now I'm going to go in with my finger and take the shade Cherries. Now it's going to get placed right here, kind of between the pink shade and like right on top of the pink base. Ignore my nails, I keep meaning to do them and I just have not done them. So that's going to get placed right there. And then going in with my index finger. My fingers are small, so it's a little bit easier for me to get in the inner parts of my eye, but I'm going to take the shade Ask For, and I'm going to go ahead and place that right there. Just kind of on the inner corner, and then just trying to make sure I got a nice blend between the shades on my eyes. And then finally I'm going to take a pencil brush. I'm going to Decadent on a pencil brush, and that's going to be my inner corner. And then I can even take that on the brow bone if I want to, just to highlight that. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and take a combination of is it Extra and On Top. I'm just going to buff that into my lower lash. And I'm going to go ahead and pop on some mascara, finish the other eye, and I will be right back. Alright, now that the eyes are done, I'm going to go in with my Ace Beaute Bronze in Paradise palette that I got my BoxyCharm a couple of months ago. I'm going to take this lightest shade here to bronze up my face, and I'm just taking a big fluffy brush. Just going to go ahead and bronze up on my forehead, my chin, and enjoy my family singing in the background. I'm going to take a more taper brush, go in that same shade, and I'm going to just do a quick contour on my nose. I've been doing this lately just because I like to give my nose a little bit of shape. After that, I'm going to go into my Cover FX blush duo in the shade Mojave Mauve. And I'm just going to take that glowy blush here and just pop that on my cheeks. I think I'm going to skip highlighter today because this blush is so glowy, and it is seriously one of my favorite blush formulas. So just pop that there on my nose. Then I'm going to go in with my Becca lip liner in the shade Blissful. Line my lips. Then I'm going to go into my Urban Decay Vice lipstick in the shade Hideaway, and just use that. I like the very muted, kind of pink tones for this look. That'll work. And then I'm going to just spray my face with my Colourpop Pretty Fresh setting mist. And this is the final look. If you do not have the Marc Jacobs Cherry palette, but you do have the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, you can easily achieve this look going in with Feels in the crease, followed by Devilish in the outer lid, followed by Privacy in the outer V. Use your same pink base or any pink base that you may have on hand, or you can skip it all together and just do a cut crease. I would use Turn On in the inner corner, followed by Young Love in the center of the lid, and then you can use Hotspot as your inner corner highlight, or even if you wanted to make it a little bit more pink, go in with Bang Bang. So with that, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this holiday look. Hope it inspires you. I do have more to come, so if you have anything in particular, ignore my crazy hair, but any particular looks that you would like to see, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and bye guys.